Are you new to data analysis and feeling overwhelmed by numbers, variables, and statistical terms? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to IBM SPSS Statistics for Beginners, your simple and practical gateway into the world of data analytics. This course is perfect for absolute beginners, students, researchers, data entry staff, business analysts, NGO workers, public health professionals, HR analysts, and anyone who needs to organize and understand data. In this course, you'll discover understanding the SPSS interface and menus, entering and importing data sets, preparing data for analysis, and cleaning data, identifying errors, fixing missing values, and formatting. This is the foundation every beginner needs before stepping into advanced analytics. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level and master SPSS with hands-on practice, quizzes, and real-life examples, enroll today at trainingq.com. You will thank yourself for taking this bold step.